My name is Allison. I'm the founder CEO of the Hereditary Neuropathy Foundation, and I'm very passionate about CMT and improving quality of life for patients. Right now, it's about me and improving my quality of life. Okay. So it's hard to believe, Mitch, that I have been braced now for probably, my son is 20, I think I got the braces when he was around 5, so it's been about 15 years. And I've gotten very attached to every single Helios I've had because they become your best friend. They give me back quality of life. Really fast now?
You could walk fast coming back. I wouldn't walk into the street there.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Crazy, right? My friends make fun of me. I walk the fastest out of anybody. So I'm feeling that I'm stepping or standing more upright. My posture's better. What I think is really cool about this is going to get me through not only the marathon, but way beyond that. It's improved my stance, which in turn seems to be improving my balance. So this is good times for me.
All right, thank you, Allison.